Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. The first thing I want you to do is open up any chart, so click on this one right here. Once it opens up, click here on full chart, and then what I want you to do once you see this chart, click on either buy or sell. I'll click on buy, and here you'll see all the brokers. What I need you to do is scroll down here and click on show all brokers, and then you'll see more options right here. Scroll down until you see Tradovate. I want you to click here on Tradovate, and then you choose either live or demo. So we'll choose live, and then I'll click on connect. What this will do is open up a new window, and then here in this tab you just log in with your username and password, or you can sign in with Google as well. And after you're done with this, it'll go ahead and connect you to TradingView. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.